Are you looking for seasonal decor items for your home and you want them on a tray? I've got you covered. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am participating in the Holiday Cookie Diva's Seasonal Home Autumn Tray Challenge. And I am so excited to show you what I put together. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. Or if you want to learn about products that might benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite home and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into the challenge. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful? I am so pleased with the way things turned out. And it's going to live right here on the coffee table, right here in my family room. So now let me tell you a little bit about the rules of the challenge so you'll know what's in there. First of all, everything had to be on a tray. So here's my tray. And then we had to have a seasonal decor item. So here I have a pumpkin here, a couple gourds there, another pumpkin there, and then one down there. We also had to have a candle. There's my candle. And we also had to have a floral item. So there are leaves on the pumpkin, but I put in this succulent to also as a floral. And then of course you see the flowers and the little eucalyptus and the leaves and the things that I've got there. So I've got all the elements that I was supposed to have for the tray, or rather for the challenge. But now let me tell you about why I chose what I chose. So I really wanted to use this pumpkin. I felt like this metallic orange and greenish kind of pumpkin was perfect to have in this room because it complements the browns and the oranges and the greens that we have in here. And I wanted to soften it up with something, so that's why I put this succulent in, because I just felt like the softness of this succulent complemented the greenery in the pumpkin, but also added just the softness that I wanted. And then here I have this tall pitcher, which again, the beiges and the browns, and then it offered another texture against the metallic. And then when I look down, this is pretty much a three-dimensional tray because there's several layers to it. So when I look down, there's a little pumpkin deep down in there that I'll bring you closer so that you can take a look at that. And then there's some other little potpourri things that are down in the bottom. And then of course, in the front layer, you see where it's kind of elevated, these sunflowers and the gourds and the oranges and the different things like that. But then when you look down into the layers, you see the other things. Let me take this opportunity to thank the Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting this challenge. It was so much fun trying to figure out what to do and what to put on the trays. I really enjoyed it. If you're not familiar with the Cookie Diva, I'll link her channel below. You've got to check her out. I think this woman is absolutely crazy. She is hilarious, and so you will certainly love the kind of things that she does over there. And I'll also link the playlist when it's available so you can see what some of the other creators have done. I just can't wait to see what some of their trays are looking like. Now here's my question for you. What part of this tray arrangement do you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and gardening and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in another video.